Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate credit card statements with TD Bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin automating credit card statements with TD Bank, start by logging into your TD Bank account online. Navigate to the Accounts section from your dashboard. Select your credit card account from the list provided. Once you're on your credit card account page, look for the Settings or Manage Account option. Click on this option to access account preferences. In the Account Settings menu, locate the Statements section. Here, you will find the option to set up electronic statements. Select Enroll or Sign up for electronic statements. Follow the prompts to confirm your email address for statement delivery. You may need to agree to the terms and conditions, so read through them carefully. After agreeing, submit your information to complete the enrollment process. Next, set up your preferred frequency for receiving statements if this option is available. This may usually include options like monthly or quarterly statements. Once you've made your selection, ensure that you save your preferences. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that electronic statements are now active. Check your email for the first electronic statement to verify everything is set up correctly. Lastly, make sure to monitor your email regularly for future statements. You are now set to automate your credit card statements with TD Bank efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.